Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for my Capricorn participants. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. I didn't even pack up from the last reading. Capricorn, let's go. I hear lying through their teeth. Someone's lying through their teeth or their anus. One on the fucking two. One on the fucking two, okay? We got passports, okay? Maybe someone's lying and said that you missed your flight. You were supposed to come on a trip with them, or that you don't have documents to be leaving the country. So I don't even understand why you're including this person in our plans, okay? Something about a passport, travel documents. Okay, we got meditation. I have to take these secrets to the grave. That sounds like forgery. I am the game. Ooh, a beer. And Mean Girls, the ugly bitches committee is back, but we don't know if they're the green or they're the fucking orange. So I have to take these secrets to the grave on passports. That sounds like someone's passport information has been compromised. And then we have I am the game meditation. That means someone else knows what the fuck is really up. And then we got some ugly bitches in the middle because we need to make up for the space in the middle. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Something about your passport documents. Maybe a visa. You have visa. Tell me say you're lucky, make me get back my visa. When you are run, come here just start up. From your beach and you just start up. Street vibes in a popcorn cup. When he's talking about, oh, it look like Vibes Cartel have popcorn by the balls, because it look like Vibes Cartel have popcorn loyalty. Look like it cannot run out for Vibes Cartel. Why the fuck if it run out for him? And what do you want? Who no want the man salute so? Who no want the man bow to? No must blood clot Vibes Cartel him supposed to bow to. If there's anybody in that argument, a popcorn don't bow. Right? 2008, met the link with the world boss. So I traveled the world first class. He was starting to travel the world first class in 2008 when he met Alicia Palmer. So what is it if he's still carrying Alicia Palmer? Wanna fuck off and go pop some real popcorn. Okay, let's go. We got the Nine of Pentacles and the Star card. Ooh. So I'm getting a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an Aquarius. I'm getting a celebrity woman. Or I'm getting something about this woman, travel documents. She's a celebrity. She went travel. Maybe you're getting a passport. You're going to travel for the first time. The second time, or maybe you're just going on tour. Now, I have to take these secrets to the grave and passports. It starts with a depiction of a Nine of Pentacles and then it goes to the Aquarius. So I'm getting, I don't know if you are working with an agency who are going to fly you out for the erotica type of vibe. I have to take these secrets to the grave. Be careful. Feel like somebody's flying you to Guam, Paris, Amsterdam for some type of sex business. And that's okay. There's adult industries that do that, but I'm getting you need to be careful because some girl are going to set you up. See, there's ugly bitches everywhere. There's in strip club, your first day on a strip club job, you're going to have to watch your back for the other girls. You think of the man them and the tip them, you have to watch your back off. Everything is competitive. Everything will sabotage your, okay? We got the ugly bitches. I told you. I don't know how the fuck they found us, but they did, okay? Yeah, the Three of Cups. And the Tower card. Yeah, something's going to go bad for the ugly bitches. Cause me getting, now this could be something about a changing room. Yeah, change and you're naked. And me getting the girl them do something. I'm getting the plan is to get you evicted. The plan is to get you kick off the flight or to get you a ban. Or maybe for fuck up your passport documents. Because I'm seeing you going from clothes on to clothes off, and then everybody's supposed to be harassing you, teasing you, or bullying you, or making a big deal about the fact that there's naked photos of you. There might be a naked video of you. Again, your nipple them stiff, so I don't know why. Your nipple them stiff and your what? Your nipple them stiff and you love bad bitch and you know you don't and you undone right? You don't know say your nipple them stiff and you love bad bitch and you undone okay? So I don't know why you're even. Why are you listen? All of the best pum pum they are Kingston. Summer by a Birkin, Fajita Kingdom, Fajita Kingdom. For Jada Kingdom. She never feel bad. Yeah, something else I want to talk about. Even though Jada, you know this. Twinkle. Wasn't there a rumor say you used to, or maybe there was something that happened between you and Alkaline? Now Twinkle, me know say you and my man in the Akashic Records life, they know that, but I wouldn't feel bad. I could not feel bad to know that my man, Twinkle, it's Twinkle. No, I don't know how Twinkle might feel knowing that I'm come back to claim my man, Alkaline, you understand? Even though I feel like Alkaline, you shouldn't just, girl, you should have dropped a single with her. Because you have one song that say, oh, on fleek, your body on fleek, right? You know the song, Fleek, with the stripper in there? Vendetta girl, cause you something, girl. He had a girl in that music video that had blue hair and he had his hands around her. Now that looked like he was a girl, him just thought do it. And him tell her, say, baby, come, I don't know if you drink it there with your man. Him tell her, say, for coming in the video. Cause that was a random ass blue hair girl and we don't know where the girl come from and we never saw her again. And she a Vendetta girl. So she go like she's part of the Vendetta crew. I never saw her. I only know Kerry, right? That's it, okay? That's it. Okay, cool. Him could at least do a single with her. Him could at least give Twinkle something. But maybe fate didn't have it that way. Because who end up gave her something? The African giant. Burna Boy. Like the best boom boom. They are Kingston. I don't know what this is. It's to humiliate you, get you naked, take off your clothes, make you feel embarrassed. But I'm getting the way all your body look nice when you take off your clothes, all the girl them embarrassed. All the girls gonna be like, put it back on, your breasts them look too good, your ass too big, put on back your clothes. What the fuck? Or something about passport, something about you're supposed to get a job but naked pictures are surface. Listen to me, maybe this is why I'm not an employer, but if I was an employer and you come to me and you say, listen, there's another thing you want to address, there have been revenge porn or whatever pictures circulating of your pussy. So you're like, okay, so if I give you the job today, could you start Monday? Yes, I could start Monday, but I have a problem. What? I have some naked pictures circulating, like people see my pussy and them see my body naked. And, it was a very intimate situation I was in, but they decided to leak the photos. I don't mind. That I'm not for do your job. None. Even if you're teaching kids and you have naked photos out there, how did the kids see these naked photos? So you're worried about somebody who used to have naked photos of them teaching the kids because you're afraid that your kids might see, or you're afraid they might get naked in front of your kids. I don't know. That is your past, sweetie. That has nothing to do with me. There's a lot of murderers in the rap game influencing our kids. So that's okay. You see, how much people you feel like see already? About maybe over 20,000 people. That's fine. It's okay. You just come, the only thing we ask you is to not show your pussy while wearing the ID of the company. If you're showing your pussy and you're wearing the company's ID, then that's it's an automatic firing, you understand? But as long as you are not actively showing your pussy, you're not showing your pussy with the company's ID in the frame, it is okay, it is fine. A lot of our mothers have naked pictures of us, of them, right, themselves, and we don't know, right? Okay. And we're talking about how Northwest is such a spoiled person because she's showing the camera middle finger. Her mom has a sex video out. Do you know who her mother is? So you scared? That is the least of your problem. Let's just hope she don't have a sex video out. That's the least of the problem. What the fuck? Anyways, let's continue. So something is supposed to embarrass you and humiliate you when you're going to show your body and you're going to be naked and you're going to, I don't know, something about passports. Maybe the girl, them a thief, I don't fucking know. The 10 of swords, yes. Someone's supposed to humiliate you so badly or hurt you so badly. The page of swords, yeah. So I'm getting something about a lot of people have been seeing you naked, whether this is a video, a circulated photo, or some girls who just take a picture of you in a vulnerable state. The Four of Pentacles, yeah. And the Hermit card with the Six of Wands. Me getting the crowd love it though. Me getting all hella break loose because this photo or this video surface, it's underground. The crowd love it. Everybody a talk about it. Everybody a download it. Everybody a click it because they want to see it, right? The girls them is like, yeah, we're getting this bitch to hold back now. And me getting something just to blow up. I feel like you even might get pick up, an agency might pick you up because of this video. Passport, come getting something, that's how I get your pass. Come getting you're a nice, you're usually very covered, very modest woman. I don't know if you're a babe, I don't know what happened, but somebody catch you like this. I don't know if because you're religious or because you're so modest, it's like I really hurt you. If you know, say, look how much people see me naked and the girls them right beside me know. Me getting no, you good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Me getting you good. And plus, if you have self-picture and you just get hired, they can wear one COVID-19 mask. You can do that. Workplaces are still doing it. Workplaces are still practicing safety first and social distancing. Tell the employees, say, I want to wear a mask. Why? Because I use self, say I don't want anybody to recognize me. That is fine. I don't mind. I don't mind, sweetie. Leave the freaky girls, leave the freaky man them alone. I'm tired. They're tired of the oppression. I don't mind. You sell pussy or you actively have clicks per rate looking at your pussy while you're being interviewed for this job. I don't mind. I don't mind. Do what you need to do, ma'am. Obviously, you have chosen a better option, which is why you decided to stop pussy. Or you have decided that, you know what, even though there is pictures out with your boobies, you decide that you still want to enter the workforce. You're not just going to give up and just be a hopeless thought. You're going to put your boobies to the test. So I can admire somebody who can bounce back from something like that. He can start Monday. It's fine, it's fucking fine. Sweetie, there's pedophiles out there. And you're worried. Someone that likes the pussy, that's the problem. And you don't like the pussy and penis. And you don't like to see boobs, that's the problem. And you don't like to see it. Cover up. Man, shut the fuck up and hide your boner. Yeah, the 9 of swords. So something backfire? Because it went from a 10 to the 9. So something that was supposed to kill you, it never kill you. I'm getting, it might cause you a lot of anxiety. It might make you disbelieve in yourself. But I'm getting the ugly bitches committee are actually more terrified than you are. Because something like a backfire terribly. I'm going to leave it here.